Hello friends, welcome back to Palash News. Friends, today I'll discuss some basic information about Moon, our natural satellite. Friends, as we all know that Moon is natural satellite of our Earth. Friends, did you know that what is meant by satellite? Satellites are the heavenly bodies which revolve around the planets. Means the objects which are revolving around the planets are called as satellites. Now friends, we will see some basic information about Moon. So friends, do you know that what is distance between Earth and Moon? The distance between Earth and Moon is 3,84,400 kilometers. Friends, if we talk about the radius of the Moon, so the radius of the Moon is 1,737.4 kilometers. The age of the Moon is 4.5 billion of years. Friends, have you ever asked this question to your mind that does Moon have an atmosphere? Yes, Moon has a thick atmosphere. In that thick atmosphere, Moon contains elements like neon, helium, hydrogen and many more gases. Moon's gravity is 1.62 meter per second square. Friends, Moon rotates in 27 days. Means we can say that also that in every 27 days Moon completes its one rotation. Friends, Moon revolves around the Earth continuously and Moon completes its one revolution in 29 days, near about 1 month. Means in 29 days Moon completes its one revolution around the Earth. Friends, phases of Moon are occurred due to the revolution of the Moon around the Earth and due to light of the sun. We see the new moon when the moon is between Earth and sun, and we see the full moon when the Earth is between moon and sun. We can see this all the phases whole across the month. Friends, do you know what are tides and what are types of tides? There are two types of tides, high tide and low tide. High tide and low tide are caused by the gravitational force of Moon. The tidal force caused Earth and its water increase towards the sides closest to the Moon and the furthest from the Moon. Friends, Moon is seen beautiful from the Earth. Friends, Moon does not have its own lights. Sun's light reaches to the Moon's surface and Moon reflects that light on the Earth. Friends, some facts about Moon are that if we see Moon and Sun from Earth, it looks like same size, but it is not true. Sun is bigger than the Moon. Friends, one very important fact about Moon is that Moon is shifting away 3 cm per year from the Earth. Friends, Moon is the 5th biggest natural satellite in our solar system. And friends, as we all know, on the Earth there are many earthquakes on many different places. But friends, do you know this interesting fact that Moon also have earthquake? And friends, as we all know that many astronomers went to Moon in search of water. Yes, scientists are saying that maybe it is possible that there will be water on the surface of Moon. Friends, Neil Armstrong became the first person to step on the Moon. He went to Moon on 20 July 1969. And friends, Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to went into the space 3rd April 1984. So okay, bye friends. We will meet in next video which will be on Hubble telescope. If you like my video, so like it, subscribe to my channel, share and comment it. Bye bye. See you soon in next video. Bye.